Hello guys, back for Firework 2019 part 2. Just a few. I've bought some more Dum Bum candles. Really loud. Got a net explosive of 46.4 grams. But my little one picked these out. Some stealth bombers by Skycrest, and I've got 23.75 grams of net explosive in them. I think, to be honest, they were just like a Roman candle. Got two of them. And then I went to the range and got the Battle of Midway. Very nice cake. I had this a couple of years ago and it was fairly decent. It's got a net explosive of 342 grams, 0.5 grams. So yeah, it's alright. And then some like little daytime fireworks, which are parachutes that go up, do like a red and yellow flare. Oh, is it a red and green flare? I think it's red and green. Red and green flare, and then two little red parachutes come down. I've got another micro Dum Bum. I've got two of these. This and the other one will be going in my finale. Yeah, so, and that's got a net explosive of 400 grams. I've got the Howling Hellcat whistle one. Got it to more annoy the missus. And that's got 144 grams in of it. So yeah. And then we've got the Funk Finale. 20mm, 30 shots in 19 seconds. And it's got 288 grams of net explosive in. Looks like a nice little cake. I've seen it fired, and it's loud. So that'll be also going in the finale with the two micro Dum Bums all fused together. So yeah, and then we've got the mighty Supernovas. Very nice rockets. Got 169 grams and 163 grams in them. So yeah, then we've got 10 solar flares, and they've all got 55 grams in them. So yeah, you got 10 nice solar flares. David. But yeah, so there's my fireworks stash part 2. And yeah, I'll have some more on the weekend, so I'll let you guys see them. Thank you for watching. Remember, subscribe, and I'll be doing my finale on YouTube and some more fireworks stash videos. So yeah, thank you.